Today I am reviewing this 2-drawer modern minimalistic looking nightstand. I got this a week ago, put it together yesterday. It wasn't too bad to put together. Everything went together really well. Fit and finish is good. It is like this manufactured wood, but it has a nice look. Everything seems to line up pretty well on it. Things I do like about it, I like this little under shelf. You can put some stuff in here or display some things because there is an LED light, which I should have hooked up before I made this video. Here's the LED light. One of the things I will say is you end up losing the USB port with it. Oh my God, there we go. There it is. Ooh, you see, that's fancy, right? We have a remote. You can see a nice drawer in there. Give me a sleep mask in here. More stuff. And we have our remote. You can do different colors. It's going all around. And it's nice to have some plugs up there. There's a charging pad, which did work with my iPhone. Problem is, if you look where it is, it's pretty hard to, like, if you have anything plugged in, it like doesn't, it didn't work really well for me, so I put the other charging pad in here. Personally, I would prefer if this was towards the front. Wouldn't look as good, but it'd be a lot more functional. Does power this fan, so all of that works well. That thing's having a seizure in there, but you know, you could pick whatever color you want, put some stuff down there, pictures or whatever. And it's a nice spot. You can put some extra stuff down here as well. Plenty of stuff up here and 2 pretty big drawers. So I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.